Everybody,
we're coming to you with a really quick live stream. We're just walking over to get some lunchtime. And we want to talk to you about one thing that we hear from people a lot. So Lexi and I work on sacred accounts a lot with people. And one of the questions that comes up a lot is loans, right?
Yes.
What are some of the questions you get on loans?
How do I take out a loan? How do I pay back my loan after taking it out? And then what's the strategy looks like as far as, how to pay back the loan and what's the best way of doing that?
Yep. Do you pay interest? How is the interest paid?
Correct.
So here's the deal that we want to kind of communicate to you guys today. So if you're thinking about setting up a sacred account and you're wondering about loans, let's just cross up here.
Yep.
You're wondering about loans and you've heard probably before you should never take a loan on your life insurance. It's stupid to pay yourself interest, etc. So here's really what it comes down to. If you have money growing at a 6 to 8% return, that's taxable. Okay? So if you're earning 6 to 8%, let me explain it to you like a bank account. So if you're earning 6 to 8% and you pull out money, you're going to pay taxes, right? Bottom line. So if you're like me and you don't like taxes, why wouldn't you want to find a way around it, right? So if you take out a loan against your life insurance, guess what's not taxable? A loan, right?
That's correct.
So you don't pay taxes on the money because you didn't actually take money. You took a loan. You didn't actually get gains. You borrowed against it, okay? Now, the other thing that happens here is when you take a loan against your life insurance, your money never actually left the account. Okay, so think about this. If you're earning a 6 to 8% dividend and your money never actually left the account, you borrow against it, you have cash, you're gonna go invest, you're gonna do a deal that makes you 12%, let's say. Well, you'll still earn 6 to 8% dividends while you're doing that. Okay, so that's an 18% annual gross return. Now the catch is you do pay interest, right? So your interest, what is the interest typically?
Usually, like right now, it's about 4 or 5%, but it never usually goes down below that.
Right, so you're gonna pay maybe like 4, 5, 6% interest, right? So basically with that interest, you're paying that in lieu of paying taxes. You're also paying it to a company that you own. So when you own life insurance, you're actually an equity shareholder in the company, meaning that when you pay interest, it's a lot like if I owned a gas station buying gas for myself. Yeah, I paid for gas, but I own the gas station, right? And so because of that, I could get free gas. I could steal from the station. Would we ever steal?
But why would you?
Why would you want to?
Doesn't make sense.
Why would you want to steal from it just because you own it? So
right.
You pay the interest on the loan. You're a shareholder, meaning it increases your dividend. You actually end up better in the long run. And wait for that bus to pass.
Loud.
And in addition to that, if you structure it the way I structure it, you're going to write the interest off on your taxes anyways, which is a wash, and you don't end up paying really much of anything, okay? So here's like the things you need to know. Number one, when you borrow against your life insurance, you avoid taxes. Number two, the money keeps growing because you never took it out. It was just a loan, right? Number three, you can write that interest off on your taxes. Number four, if you're gonna borrow against your life insurance to invest, always make sure that the thing you're gonna invest in makes more than you're paying in interest. So if you're paying 6 and you're gonna go do a deal, you need to go make more than 6. Okay, if you can't make more than 6, don't do the deal. All right, so guys, I did write an article on this. I'm gonna post it in the comments for you really quick. If you wanna learn more about this, check it out. If you're watching and you've been considering setting up a sacred account with us, reach out to us. Lexi and I will help you. So guys, thank you for tuning in. Have a great day.
Real quick, sacredaccount.com, guys. Make sure to go to sacredaccount.com. Let's post that on the
just click the link. It's in there.
Or there too.
Click on the link. Guys, we'll talk to you later. Like, share, subscribe. Bye.